Hi, my name is Patrick. This is the Ask Patrick series where I try to answer queries regarding management entrance, colleges, anything which is relevant which I can answer and give you information. So today's question is basically how do toppers use mock tests to refine their preparation? I mean, there are people who really score high, and one way to score high is to use mocks effectively to help you score better. So let me be very clear with that. I don't think mock test is to be used for practice purpose. Oh, unless you're scoring really high, already scoring a 99.5 plus 7 plus, then maybe you can use mocks for practice purpose. For others, I would not recommend to use mocks for practice, just to improve your methods. Mocks are mainly used for building your strategy. That's one. Second is to identify your weak areas. Second, and then accordingly plan your preparation. Third. So this is what you use the mocks for. You don't use the mocks for keeping on practice, because what happens when you're solving a mock, you're under time pressure. When you're under time pressure, you tend to do what you're habituated to do, and because you tend to do what you're habituated to do, you don't think of better methods while solving. It doesn't come. You tend to do what you normally do, regularly do. So there's no improvement that happens. So if you really want to use your mock properly, first is analyze properly all the questions. Your analysis may take double the time that you have written the mock. Go to the entire question, every question which is there. See, is there a better way of solving? See, you can go about it. Identify the areas which you need to practice. When you've gone to the question, you see, okay, this is a topic where I'm not comfortable with, I need to practice. Go back to the books and practice. But when you're practicing, focus on trying to get better ways of solving, better methods of solving. Same way, look at what is the strategy that you use in the mock and see how can you improve your strategy. Strategy plays a very important role, especially in the initial mocks, to improve your score. So if you have a right strategy, it will definitely help you to score well. I mean, a good strategy will be one where you should be able to go through all the questions. That's very important. But when you're going through all the questions, you should not waste a lot of time on tough questions. Because if you tend to waste time on tough question while trying to solve, it may then waste a lot of time. So you should be good at leaving questions. So any tough questions, learn to leave questions. Easy questions, tend to solve and then move ahead. So a lot of strategy. I mean, you need to plan your strategy based on how your paper has gone. Go to the entire paper, think through the paper, understand how you solved the paper, and think, if I had to solve the same paper again, would it be a better way of solving it? Would I have picked up the question differently? Anything as such. So think through the paper, and that should help you to get a better strategy for it. Okay, so identifying the weak area, your strategy, and planning your preparation is what is the main purpose of the mock. So do write that, and that will help you. Thank you.